guys, this is Edith of the Dancers family. Welcome to my channel, and in today's episode I'm going to clean. Then after that I'll go for a shopping haul, so I'll be out for the town. So before I go to the town, be with me as I clean. And this is my sitting room over here. So in cleaning sitting room, I'm going to start with the walls. I'm going to wash the walls as you can see them. I'm just going to wipe them with the wet tablecloth. Then to the carpet down here, I'm going to scrub it. I'm going to brush it, just brushing it off the white surface that you can see. I'm going to brush it off. Then the seats, I'm going to remove these covers and wipe them thoroughly under where we sit, remove the cushions, and I just clean it, remove the dust all over. Then also I'm going to there where the TV is, that stand of mine over there, it is a 2-in-1. So it is a library, and also it is where it is used as a stand of that, as it stand the stand for the TV. So I'm going to wipe it and arrange. The books are there, arrange them really well. So it is always locked. They only unlock when you want to use. The books are in there, and I lock them and in it. Then after that, I'm going to mop the floor, and voila, I'm excited. I'll be going to town. Then when I'm done town, just a mini shopping for the week. Just runners. The weekend is coming. The kids will have to eat the snacks and whatever. So we'll be off to town. I love you. Welcome.
Love you.
Subscribe if you are watching. Kindly do not subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, and if you are watching, give it a thumbs up, like my video, and kindly watch it at the end. Support me by watching the whole video, please. And you can also share as much as you can. Back to you as we start with the work. Voila, welcome.
Adi, what have you taken?
Friends, today I went for a mini shopping, and I had to buy this little thing just to put it through the week. So the kids' celebrator was over for the kids, so I went ahead and bought this one for the kids, around 15 sachets of this one for the kids. Then I had to buy this macarona for lunch, and they were expected to have this one, so I bought the two of them for their lunch. And they wanted some snacks, so I bought the muffins for them. I bought these muffins for them. They're here. Then also they wanted some fruits here, so I went ahead to buy a packet for each of them. I bought for the preferred spices, yeah, so I went ahead and bought this one. These two, they like the same spice, and the other one they like different spices, so I bought for them these spices. And I also to buy some chicken for dinner, so my chicken is over here. I bought chicken for dinner. And for tomorrow's breakfast, ta-da-da, bread is over there, so our breakfast are organized with it. And I also bought this soda. They drink it for the weekend. Also, they wanted some yogurt. The two of them, the small ones, needed some yogurt, so I preferred buying this one. And I wanted to do self-care, and I went ahead to buy this one. So I always soak my feet into it so that it can be soft. The other time they had somehow cracked, so I soak this one in my foot. This one I soak with warm water. I mix it with warm water and soak my feet in it, my heels. They become somehow soft. Then to add to that, I went to the shamba and bought some sukuma wiki. You see the way they are so healthy, so fresh, just from the farm. I went to buy this one for our dinner, the one we make with the chicken. So I have my greens here, and I'll show you when they're already made. guys, now I'm done with the walls. You can see those are clean. So I'm going to clean the seats, the seats. And if you've not subscribed to here, kindly can you subscribe? So guys, I want to clean here. It looks so big, but that's why I keep my children's books, the ones that are filled up for the school. So you can let me know how you do yours, or why do you keep them if you have a grown-up children, like for grade 6, 5 years? Why do you think the book was releasing previously? So it's not it's lockable because of the toddler that I have, so I do lock it.